A very good morning to you, children. Myself Shabdika Pandey, your computer teacher, and in this video, we will learn about computer keyboard and its function. So, children, what is a keyboard? Keyboard is an input device. Yes, keyboard is an input device. Keyboard is a device which is used to give input to the computer. Okay, a keyboard has different type of keys like number keys, alphabet keys, delete key, arrow key, special keys, special keys like spacebar key, caps lock key, arrow key, enter key. Okay, so there are many keys in a computer keyboard. Total in a standard keyboard it is having 104 keys. Okay, so a standard keyboard is having 104 keys on it. Okay, so let's learn about it. So kids, what do you see? What do you use to write in your book? We use a pencil or a pen. Yes, if we want to write something in a notebook, we use pencil or pen for that. Okay, our teacher uses a chalk to write on a board. Yes, our teacher uses chalk to write on a board. But we cannot use a pen or a pencil for writing on a computer. Yes, we cannot write on a computer, we can type on a computer. Okay, so by which device we will type on a computer? We will type on a computer by using keyboard. Okay, you have to use the keyboard to write or enter the information and instruction to a computer. Yes, we use computer keyboard to type letters, numbers, or any special type of symbols in a computer. Understood? Today we will learn about keyboard. Keyboard is one of the important parts of a computer system. Yes, we all know that keyboard is the most important part of a computer system. Without keyboard, we will not be able to give our instruction to the computer. Okay. Now, this is a keyboard. Can you see the picture? This is a keyboard. It has many buttons on it, and these buttons are known as keys. Okay, so keyboard is having many buttons on it, and these buttons are known as keys. So we use these key to type something on a computer. So as you all know that we use computer keyboard to type something on a computer. Now, how many keys it is having? It is having 104 keys in it. So total in a standard keyboard it is having 104 keys on it. Now there are different type of keys to perform different tasks. Okay, many type of keys in a keyboard. First is alphabet keys, second is number keys, third one is special keys, and fourth is function keys. Now let us learn about it. Alphabet key. The alphabet keys are marked with A to Z. There are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. Yes, from A to Z there are 26 total alphabet keys on the keyboard. Okay, so these are used to type letters, words, and sentences. If we want to write letters, paragraphs, words, or sentences, we use alphabet keys. Okay, so this is the first type of keys. Next are number keys. So if we want to type numbers into your monitor, you need number keys. They are placed at the top of the alphabet keys and in right side of the keyboard. So number keys are placed at the top of the computer keyboard and at the right side of the keyboard. Okay, now the number keys are marked with 0 to 9. So there are total 10 number keys from 0 to 9. Okay, so these are 10 in numbers. So there are 10 number keys in a keyboard from 0 to 9. We use them to type numbers on the screen. Numeric keypad can be used only when the num lock is on. So here the red button, you can see num lock. So we can use number keys or numeric keypad when only if the number lock is on. Okay. Now special keys. So what are special keys? Special keys are used to type special symbols. We can use special keys to type special type of symbols. We can specific jobs. Okay, so what are special keys? Spacebar, enter key, backspace key, caps lock key, arrow keys, delete key and shift key. Okay, now let us see the uses of these keys. First one is spacebar. The spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Yes, the longest key on the keyboard is the spacebar. We use spacebar key to give space between the letters or numbers. Okay, so the spacebar key is the longest key in the keyboard. So we use spacebar key to give space between the two letters, words and numbers. Understood? Now next one is enter key. Now here you can see enter key. The highlighted keys are enter key. So there are two enter keys in a keyboard. This key is used to move the cursor to the next line. If you want to change the line in a paragraph, we use enter key because it is used to move the cursor to the next line. We also use this key to pass on our instructions to the CPU. Okay, so if we want to pass on our instruction to the CPU, the shortcut key we use is enter key. Okay, caps lock key. Now what is the use of caps lock key? This key is used to type capital letters. Here you can see the highlighted key, it is caps lock key and it is used to type capital letters. When we press this key, the caps lock light turns on. Okay, so if we press this key once, the caps lock light turns on, and so that we can write letters in a capital case. When caps lock is on and you typed alphabet keys, letters appear in uppercase or capital. Understood? Caps lock key is used to type letters in a capital. When it is off, letters appear in lower case or small case. Okay, so whenever you press the caps lock key once, the light will turn on so that you will be able to type letters in capital case. But when it is off, the letters appear in lower case or small. Okay. Next one is backspace key. Now what is the use of backspace key? Backspace key is present just above the enter key. Now here you can see in the picture the highlighted key is backspace key and it is present just above the enter key. Now what is the use of this backspace key? We use it to erase the wrong letters to the left of the cursor. Okay, so if we want to erase the letter from the left side, we use backspace key. Next one is delete key. Now what is the use of delete key? It erases the letter to the right of the cursor. Yes, backspace key is used to erase the letter from the left side, but delete key is used to erase the letter to the right side of the cursor. Okay, shift key. Shift key is used to type special symbols written on the upper side of the number keys and some other keys. Now look at the picture carefully. Here you can see some keys where two letters or two symbols are there. So why we use shift key? Shift key is used to type special symbols written on the upper side. Like you can see slash and question mark are written in a single key. So if you use shift key, with that special key, so it will type the upper number, okay, upper side of the number. Understood? Now the shift key is used to type special symbols written on the upper side of the number keys, okay. Now it is also used to type single capital letter, so we use shift key to write single capital letter. Now next one is arrow keys. Now there are 4 arrow keys in a keyboard: up arrow key, left arrow key, right arrow key, and down arrow key. Now arrow keys are also called cursor control keys. Yes, this is the another name of arrow keys, that is cursor control keys or cursor moving keys. The arrow keys are 4 in numbers. As we all know, there are 4 arrow keys in a keyboard: up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key, and right arrow key. These are used to move the cursor in 4 directions. Okay, so we use arrow keys to move our cursor in 4 directions, like left direction, right direction, up direction, and down direction. Now the types of keyboard. Look at this picture. First one is a standard keyboard. Standard keyboard we use in computer labs or in our home with the desktop computer. Okay, so these are standard keyboard. Now second one is a laptop keyboard. Yes, this is the laptop keyboard. It is used in laptop. Now third one is a wireless keyboard. Yes, you can see the wireless keyboard. It is not having any wire or connections. Okay. Now last one is a foldable keyboard. Yes, we can fold this keyboard. So this is the last one. So thank you children for watching the video. Till then, stay safe, stay in your home and stay healthy. Thank you.